DRUG stock, Bright Minds Biosciences Inc. currently trading at $7.6, a gain of $1.24 in this pre-market session of the 15th of November 2021. We haven't found any news behind this rally. The news might come out, but what we know is that once the pre-market opened, the stock spiked. I believe this is the pre-market. Let's confirm that it's what happened in the pre-market. Yes, the pre-market opened and the stock spiked to around, it spiked from the post-market of the 12th and reached 7.279, moved sideways, spiked further, and at some point it reached 8.11 and has fallen all the way down to its volume weighted average price. So let's put up a chart that is a combination of the post-market as well. So this is a combination of the post-market and the pre-market. So this is that's a price 8.11. That's roughly that 8.11. So at some point it actually reached 8.22 in this pre-market session. So right now our stand momentum is completely non-existent. Volume is not so high. But RSI is okay, not so wonderful as well, but hasn't just dropped off like the momentum has done. This is based on the 1 minute live session of this pre-market session of the 15th of November 2021. DRUG, Bright Minds Biosciences. This daily model is not reflecting the price at the moment, so let's return to the 1 minute model and stick with that. Yeah, so this is what's going on. The gain is 19.5%. We haven't seen any news behind this rally, but based on how the stock has performed of late, we have a price target of $9.77 this week. Is it possible? Is that a possibility? Can it reach 9.77? There's a chance it can get there. 9.77. It can get there, we believe. Has it ever reached there? Let's look at the daily model and see whether it has ever reached 9.77 since it started trading. Has never really reached 9.77. The stock itself hasn't been trading for a very long time, so that will be a new high for the stock. But I believe there is some interest there, even though we're not seeing much of that by the way of momentum and the strength. We're not seeing very much of that. But fingers crossed, based on how it has performed of late, we think it has a prospect of getting to $9.77. It looks quite ambitious. But you never know. So right now we have seen some movement as well, some slight movement. It's getting some resistance from the 10-day moving average of this 1 minute live chart. Yes, nothing much is going on. Volume is not so high, even though it has increased by 300, not a lot. It also has a relatively small float, going by what the shares are outstanding is indicating. It's indicating about 11 million and some fraction. So it's still getting some resistance from that 10-day moving average. That moving average is also falling as the stock itself has got some resistance from the 200-day moving average and pulled back. Okay, has broken through the resistance from the 10-day and the 50-day moving average. Now it's resting at $7.76. The gain is now 22.01%. Can it get further? Would it run in the regular session? Will it run? Is that possible? Momentum is also trying to improve, now at 32.65. RSI has also looked up, getting stronger, 58.86. Yes, moved further again moved further to 7.76, or still there. Let's see what's going to happen while we're here recording this. So what you're looking at right now is live for DREG stock, Bright Minds Biosciences. Let's see whether we're going to get any movement. Any movement. So this is the volume we are looking at right now. This volume, let's see whether we can get any figures there. Okay, we have no volumes there, no down volume, but up volume is at 1,109. That's the up volume. That is just indicating that this is the volume that has been involved in this, that took it to where it is right now. It also involves selling and buying volumes. It's buying and selling volumes. So it's just 1,100 right now. Let's see whether we're going to get any more volumes, any more action. Fingers crossed. Let's see whether something is going to pan out. Okay, we have seen some retracement now. So that retracement, with that, let's get the volumes here. The volume is 976. Yes, just suddenly knocked down again. Let's see. Down volume is 400. So up volume is at 2,896. So it has pulled down to 7.34, 7.31. But the gain is still okay. Yes, so okay, it's spiked up again. Trading at 7.69 or roughly 7.0, 7.59 now. Quite getting volatile, getting erratic. Let's see whether we can pick up any volume. Let's see, the volume is here. Let's see. Let's see whether we can get any volume here. Okay, it's moved away from here, so it's extending further. We need to cut. We are trying to catch up. It's broken through all these moving averages. The gain is now 32.39%. Let's get the volume here. 30,078. That's the volume. There's the up volume. So it's just broken through now. So we did get to 977. That's fallen back again. Falling back. Let's get a volume here. 75,072. Down volume is 3,505. Temporarily got to, I forgot that the price it reached. It's spiked. Okay, it spiked again. 8.25. That's a volume. That's the price. The price is $8.30 for DRUG. Volume is 4,703. Is it going to extend further? Remember, our price target is 9.77. Is it possible with the way things are going right now for DRUG? Volume is indicating the stock is overbought, even though it's just waning as well. Even in that overbought territory, it's waning, but not significantly. It's just cooling off. The strength of the RSI is also improving. Is now cooling off as well. That's also expected. Spiked and cooled off, but it's not hasn't okay. But the fair has fallen below the 200-day moving average, a much longer term moving average. Maybe an indication that yes, okay, it might linger there a bit, but it only fell below that 200-day moving average. That 200-day moving average is also above all the other ones. It's still there because of the huge spike it ran up, which took all those moving averages upwards. But because the 200-day moving average is a slow moving average, it doesn't react as fast as the other ones. It's still up there. So if it has fallen below that, then you really shouldn't read very much to it. It's currently now above all the other ones, all the other moving averages right now. Let's see whether we can get any volume here. Yeah, the volume is 4,772. The down volume is 3,007. So still lingering there, just above the volume weighted average price and the 10-day moving average. Okay, got support from them now, but the same 200-day moving average is now also proving as a resistance. The volume there is 5,203. Spiked up again at now at 8.59. Is it possible that it can get to 977? 977, is it possible? It's possible, right? Even in this pre-market, 977 is not that far away from where it is right now. Roughly $1 and some fraction. Roughly $1.17. $0.17, $0.18. That's where it is. 9.77. So right now momentum is indicating the stock is overbought. I think that is the case. Yes, it's overbought right now, and the strength is also there. The gain is now 33.49%. It's just cooling off slightly. Okay, still extending further. $9, $9, Is it going to get 97, 9.77, 9.6, 10.48, 10? We've missed the target has been reached. 10.97, 11.05. Maybe we should have put money in this. We should have put money in this stock. Wow, right in front of us. I just can't believe this. Oh my goodness. 10.11.9, 10.11.09. Oh my. Well, see what you make of this stock, but just be really careful. There's no guarantee it's gonna run in a regular session. Thank you very much for watching this video.